What if a car could replace your living room, your office, and your family vacation van all at once? That's not a dream, that's the Audi Q9. 7 seats, motorized doors, a 22-speaker audio system you can feel in your bones, and technology that BMW and Mercedes haven't even thought of yet. This SUV doesn't just change what you expect from a family car, it changes what you expect from a car, period. If you find this useful, a like takes 1 second. Let's get into it. Design and exterior. Step back and look at this thing, really look at it. The Q9 is massive, but it doesn't feel heavy. It feels confident, planted, like it owns every road it drives on. Up front, that signature Audi single-frame grille is wider than anything the brand has ever put on an SUV. Large honeycomb openings. Aggressive, premium, unmistakably Audi. Now here's where it gets interesting. The headlights on the Q9 use 25,600 individual micro-LEDs. That's not a typo, 25,600. These aren't just headlights. They project welcome symbols onto your garage wall. They adjust individually for every driving condition. And they're the first of their kind ever offered in the US market. Around the sides, pronounced wheel arches finished in body color. 23-inch wheels that fill those arches perfectly. A tall glasshouse giving every passenger a commanding view. And then, the doors, power-operated doors, a first for any Audi ever built. Just tug the handle and the door swings open by itself. Smooth, silent, like the car is welcoming you in. That's not a feature, that's a statement. A family interiors. Okay, this is the section that changes everything. Open that power door, step inside the Q9, and forget everything you think you know about SUV interiors. Audi completely abandoned piano black plastics. Gone, instead fine Nappa leather everywhere you look, open-pore wood trim, matte finishes, and sustainable alpaca wool blends on the surfaces your hands touch most. This doesn't feel like a car interior. It feels like a first-class lounge at 30,000 feet. Now the seats, 2 layouts to choose from. 7-seat family layout, 3 rows, every middle row seat with its own ISO FIX child safety anchor. Perfect for growing families. But the 6-seat executive layout, that's where things get extraordinary. Second-row captain's chairs, individually heated, ventilated, and with a full massage program built in. Integrated armrests, footrests that fold out, a folding table for work on the go. This isn't a back seat, it's a private office. And the audio system. The 40 Bang & Olufsen system uses 22 speakers, but here's what makes it unlike anything else. Speakers are built directly into the headrests. You don't just hear the music, you feel it. Physical seat actuators vibrate in rhythm with the low and bass. Rear passengers get individual 10-inch entertainment screens, triple-zone climate control, dual wireless charging pads with ventilation to stop your phone from overheating. And above it all, Audi's largest glass roof ever. It physically opens. It electronically dims from fully opaque to completely transparent with one touch. This isn't a family car interior. This is a moving luxury hotel suite. The technology and SCRENS. Now let's talk about the technology, because the Q9 does something no Audi has ever done before. Audi calls it the digital stage. And it's genuinely unlike anything you'll find in a BMW X7 or Mercedes GLS right now. 3 screens, one 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster directly in front of the driver, one 14.5-inch central touchscreen, and a 10.9-inch dedicated passenger screen on the right. All 3 are mounted together in one curved housing, seamless, integrated, like one massive digital canvas spanning the entire dashboard. The MMI infotainment system is fast and responsive. Wireless Apple CarPlay standard, wireless Android Auto standard, no plugging in, no cables, just get in and go. An AI augmented voice assistant learns your preferences over time. Ask it anything, destinations, music, climate, and it remembers what you like. Dual wireless charging pads with 100-watt USB-C ports, so everyone stays powered up, no matter how long the journey. And for parking, the trained parking system, available from the Q7, is expected on the Q9 too. The car learns your specific driveway or garage and parks itself there automatically, every single time. This is technology that genuinely makes your life easier, not technology for the sake of it, technology with a real purpose. Engine and performance. Now here's something that surprises most people about the Q9. This SUV is not just big and beautiful, it moves. The Q9 sits on Audi's new premium platform combustion architecture, built specifically to support hybrid powertrains from day one. A turbocharged V6 and V8 are both expected, paired with Audi's trademark Quattro all-wheel drive system. Quattro AWD means power goes to all four wheels continuously, adjusting in real time depending on grip, road conditions, and driving style. Rain, snow, mud, the Q9 handles it without drama. The suspension is Audi's most advanced adaptive air suspension ever. It scans the road ahead and adjusts before you even feel the bump. Passengers in the third row, yes, even the third row, feel almost no road imperfections. Plug-in hybrid variant is coming too, electric-only range for daily commuting, full hybrid power for long-distance drives. This is an SUV that weighs over 5,000 pounds and still manages to feel composed, agile, and genuinely enjoyable to drive. That's not easy engineering. That's exceptional engineering. Safety. For families, this section matters most, so pay attention. The Q9 is built to target a 5-star NHTSA safety rating and top marks from the IIHS. These aren't just targets. Audi engineered the Q9's structure specifically around them from the very beginning. Standard safety features include adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring. All standard, not optional. Standard. Every second and third row seat has ISO-FIX and LATCH child seat anchors. Every single seat. So no matter where the kids are sitting, they're protected. The trained parking system uses cameras and sensors to build a precise three-dimensional map of your surroundings. Parking a vehicle this size becomes genuinely stress-free. And those 25,600 micro-LED headlights. They don't just look incredible, they actively improve safety at night by adjusting to prevent blinding oncoming drivers while giving you maximum visibility. The Q9 doesn't just protect your family on paper. It was designed from the ground up with your family's safety as the starting point. The Q9 versus BMW X7 versus Mercedes GLS. Okay, let's have the honest conversation that everyone wants to have. Because the Q9 is entering a market with two very established rivals, the BMW X7 and the Mercedes-Benz GLS class. Both excellent cars, both with loyal fan bases. So where does the Q9 actually stand? Q9 versus BMW X7. The X7 is polished, refined, and genuinely impressive, but it doesn't have power-operated doors. It doesn't have 25,000 micro-LED headlights coming to the US market. And the X7's rear seat experience, while good, doesn't match the Q9's executive lounge feel. Advantage, Q9. Q9 versus Mercedes GLS class. The GLS is the current king of this segment. Exceptional build quality, outstanding ride comfort, and a massive presence on the road. But the GLS interior doesn't offer 4D audio with physical seat vibration. The GLS doesn't offer a trained parking system, and the GLS's technology, while excellent, doesn't match the digital stage experience Audi is bringing. Advantage, Q9 on technology. The honest truth. If you want the most proven, longest established full-size luxury SUV, the Mercedes GLS is still the safest choice. If you want the most advanced technology and the most innovative interior experience in this segment right now, the Audi Q9 wins. Clearly, a final verdict. Here's my completely honest final verdict on the Audi Q9. Does it change everything you expect from a family car? Yes, genuinely, absolutely yes. Power-operated doors, 25,000 micro-LED headlights, a US first, a 4D Bang & Olufsen audio system you feel in your seat, an executive lounge rear cabin, 3 digital screens in 1 curved housing, a trained parking system that learns your garage, and a plug-in hybrid powertrain that's ready for the future. No family SUV in this price range offers this combination. Not the BMW X7, not the Mercedes GLS, not the Cadillac Escalade. The Q9 brings something genuinely new to a segment that needed it badly. Who should buy it? If you have a family, you want premium luxury, and you want technology that actually improves your daily life, the Q9 deserves to be at the very top of your list. Who should wait? If you need the absolute proven reliability of a long-established model, give the Q9 one model year to establish its track record first. That's smart buying, not hesitation. But for those ready to step into something genuinely new, the Audi Q9 isn't just a family car. It's the family car that every other manufacturer now has to answer. If this helped you, drop a like, follow for more honest car content, and comment below Q9, BMW X7 or Mercedes GLS, which one wins for you. See you in the next one. Peace, victory.